Have you ever wondered what Bitcoin is? In recent years, Bitcoin gained massive attention. But what does it truly mean? Bitcoin is a digital currency, often called cryptocurrency. It operates without a central authority. This is revolutionary for finance. Let's break down Bitcoin step by step. First, Bitcoin is decentralized. This means it's not controlled by banks or governments. Instead, Bitcoin relies on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a public ledger. It records all Bitcoin transactions. Every Bitcoin user has access to this ledger. This transparency increases trust. Next, let's talk about mining. Bitcoin mining is the process of creating new Bitcoins. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex math problems. When a problem is solved, a new block is added to the blockchain. The miner is rewarded with newly created Bitcoins. Now, how do you obtain Bitcoin? You can buy it on exchanges. These are online platforms for trading cryptocurrencies. Alternatively, you can earn Bitcoin through services or products. Many companies now accept Bitcoin as payment. Let's discuss the Bitcoin wallet. A wallet is where you store your Bitcoins. It can be an app, software, or even a physical device. To send or receive Bitcoin, you need a wallet address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers. Now, you might be wondering, why does Bitcoin matter? Bitcoin introduced a new way to think about money. It empowers individuals by removing intermediaries. This leads to lower fees and faster transactions. Additionally, Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. As governments print more money, Bitcoin's limited supply offers stability. Consider a simple example. Imagine buying coffee with cash. This involves a bank, cashiers, and potential fees. With Bitcoin, you simply scan a code. The transaction happens instantly. No intermediaries, lower costs, and more privacy. In summary, Bitcoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It uses blockchain for transparency and decentralization. Bitcoin is mined as users validate transactions. You can buy or earn it easily. With a secure wallet, you can easily send or receive Bitcoin. Importantly, Bitcoin empowers people and offers a hedge against inflation. So, are you ready to explore the world of Bitcoin? Visit a cryptocurrency exchange and create your account today. Dive into this exciting financial revolution.